So my name is Clémence. I'm a joint postdoc in the labs of Oscar Marin and Beatrice Rico, working on synapse formation, and I'm co-president of NEUReka.
My name is Tom. I work in Martin Mayer's group. I'm also co-president of NEUReka, and I'm a final year PhD student. And I work on how the brain encodes visual information.
NEUReka is a committee of PhD students and postdocs from the Center for Developmental Neurobiology here at King's. And the idea is that we organize seminar series that are entirely run by young researchers. So students and postdocs from the department can choose who to invite and then organize the seminars and the whole day around the seminar. We want NEUReka seminars to be different from any other talks that PI would give. We want big ideas rather than published data. So we want the talks to be inspiring and lead to discussion. And therefore all this should be in an informal setting so that the young researchers get the opportunity to interact with the speaker to create proximity between world-leading neuroscientists and PhD students and postdocs.
One of the really big things about the seminar is that we try and pose a discussion topic to the speaker, kind of loosely based on what their research is. And this, again, is kind of a big idea. And after the seminar, we have drinks and the audience members and the speaker can discuss this topic. So for example, we've asked speakers in the past whether they think neuroscience will be in the next 10 years. And also asking them whether we need to develop better tools to understand neuroscience or whether we just need to ask better questions. So really big, broad, open-ended discussion topics that people can really get stuck into.
So roughly every 6 months we ask the students and the postdocs from the department who they want to hear from. And then we try to invite these people. So we try to go for London-based speakers, well, London, Cambridge, Oxford, Sussex. But we also get people from Europe and the US occasionally. We have speakers from all types of neuroscience, so from evolution to molecular neurobiology up to circuits in vivo neuroscience.
So, as Clem mentioned previously, we sometimes get speakers from Europe and from America, so obviously that costs money, so the sponsors are very generous in kind of helping us achieve that. Scientifica in particular allows us to write blogs which they post on their website, and this is kind of one of the only outlets in the centre for allowing people to kind of get their hand in science communication and science outreach. So that's been really useful in that regard.
So our seminars are open to everybody and they're usually advertised through mailing lists in the neuroscience London community. All the information can be found on our website or social media, and that includes the name of the speaker, the date, the time, the location, the topic, and who to contact to get more information or even discuss with the speaker if someone is interested in that.
Aside from the main events, which are the seminars, we have also teamed up with the Sainsbury Wellcome Centre, and they're a neuroscience research institute based at UCL. And we, about a year and a half ago, we arranged a mini symposium with them with the title Neuronal Diversity, What is it for? And we heard from the director of our institute, which is the Center for Developmental Neurobiology, as well as the head of the Scientifica Wellcome Centre, and also the head of the Gatsby Computational Neuroscience Institute. And then that was followed by a big discussion through all attendees. And that was actually a really big success, it kind of increasing collaboration between the two centres, especially between the PIs here and at the Scientifica Wellcome Centre. And kind of off that, we are also arranging another mini symposium, again with the Sainsbury Wellcome Centre. And this time the theme is, or the question is, from synapses to behaviour, what is the quantum of neural computation? And again, it's going to be a big discussion focused symposium, and we're just asking the question, so there's lots of research on kind of single neurons, on single synapses, on ion channels, and there's lots of research on behaviour, lots of research on networks, but how can we kind of bring all this together? How can we synthesize this information to kind of better help us understand how the brain works as a whole?